Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic monitoring tools and techniques for cloud computing. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, friend, we have to understand whenever we are talking about cloud, basically we are referring to remote servers at which the different services like software based services, the infrastructure and different services are available on the cloud. Many big names are nowadays available, like for example Amazon, Microsoft, Google. So all those providers are there who are providing services for cloud computing. So friend, here is the question: the monitoring tools and techniques means that monitoring tools means that whenever you are shifted your applications or you are already running your application and the services on the cloud, so how will you monitor them? Monitor in terms of usage, monitor in terms of cost, performance and the techniques which should be used. So friend, monitoring tools and techniques are crucial components of managing and optimizing cloud environments. Obviously the environment is remote, like your services are, we are using the remote services, so it is important that how much use is there, how much cost is there. So they provide insight into the performance, availability and security of resources, helping organizations ensure their cloud infrastructure operates efficiently. So first we talk about monitoring tools, in which first we will discuss Amazon Cloud Watch, AWS. Friend, the platform here is the AWS, and the features are: it collects and tracks metrics from various AWS resources. It allows custom metric creation and support alarms for automated responses, and it integrates with other AWS services here as well. Then Azure Monitor, Microsoft Azure. Friend, the platform is Azure and the features are: it collects and analyzes telemetry data from Azure resources. It provides insights into application performance and health. It supports alerting and auto scaling based on metrics here as well. Then Google Cloud Monitoring, Google Cloud Platform. The platform is GCP. The features are: monitor performance metrics for GCP resources. It offers dashboards for visualization. It supports alerting and integration with other GCP services here as well. The another is the Prometheus. Friend, it is having the platform of open source widely used with Kubernetes. Then the features are designed for monitoring dynamic cloud native environments. It collects metrics via pull model. It supports multi-dimensional data and powerful querying here as well. Friend, Prometheus is also a good tool. However, it is an open source solution, but it is still a popular solution. Then Grafana. The platform here, again, it is open source, work with the various data sources including cloud providers and databases. Again, as it is open source, so it is basically there is no cost involved. It provides a flexible and customizable dashboard for visualization, supports integration with multiple data sources. It is compatible with various monitoring systems including Prometheus as well. So that means Grafana can be integrated with Prometheus as well. Then Datadog. It is a basically multi-cloud and on-premises solution. It is very interesting solution. That means it is an hybrid-based solution in which cloud and on-premises both functionalities are there. The features are: offers real-time monitoring and analytics, provides integrations with various cloud services, supports custom metrics and alerting here as well. Then New Relic, the platform here is the multi-cloud and on-premises. The features are: it monitors applications performance and infrastructure, offers detailed insights into application dependencies, provides real-time alerts and analytics here as well. New Relic is also a very good solution, which basically combination of both cloud and on-premises, and it is a popular solution here as well. Then we can talk about the monitoring techniques which we use for cloud computing. First we talk about performance monitoring. Friend, here the objective is to ensure optimal performance of cloud resources. That means whatever the resources are there, it should be fully used. It should not be underutilized. The techniques used we are track metrics such as CPU utilization, memory usage, network latency, and disk input output. Use tools like CloudWatch, Azure Monitor, or Prometheus. Friend, obviously, if you use these types of tools, you have a visibility that how much CPU utilization is there, what is the memory usage, so you can you have the insight that how much resource utilization is there. Then logging and log analysis. The objective here is to capture and analyze logs for troubleshooting and security here as well. The techniques involve utilize centralized logging services, parse and analyze logs for patterns and anomalies. Tools like ELK Stack and or cloud native log services can be used here as well. Again, friend, it is important that you must have a clear visibility about the logging. Whatever the activities the performing, it should be properly logged somewhere. Then alerting and notifications. The objective here is to receive timely alerts on performance issues or security incidents. The techniques involve set up alerts based on predefined thresholds or anomalies, integrate with notification channels like email, SMS, or collaboration platforms. CloudWatch alarms, Azure alerts, and alerting features in third-party tools can be used here as well properly. Then auto scaling. The objective here is to dynamically adjust resources based on demand. The techniques used here are to configure auto scaling policies to automatically add or remove resources. This ensures efficient resource utilization and cost optimization. Means, friend, that whenever there is a load, the servers can be automatically added, and if there is a less load, so the servers can be reduced here as well. Then security monitoring means the objective here is to detect and respond to security threats. The techniques involved are implement security information and event management. SIEM solution. SIEM solution means that it will basically log all the events at some place, and you can analyze and you have a dashboard about those logs. So monitor access logs, audit trails, and use anomaly detection tools. Cloud native services and third-party tools like Datadog and New Relic often include security monitoring features here as well. Then cost monitoring and optimizations. The objective here is to monitor and control cloud related cost. The techniques involve used cost monitoring tools provided by cloud providers, implement cost allocation tags, analyzing cost reports, and optimize resource usage based on cost effectiveness.